Hello, my name is Justin Evans, and I am a senior product engineer, and I will be discussing NFPA 285. NFPA 285 is a standard test method designed to protect the occupants inside high-rise buildings from flame propagation of the exterior of the structure. The test evaluates flame propagation characteristics of wall assemblies that consist of combustible components. The test itself is composed of a full-scale two-story wall that is exposed to fire for 30 minutes at ever-increasing intensity. This is not the first time that Johns Manville AP foil has passed NFPA 285. However, prior tests used a more conservative material such as brick or other masonry products. Though quite an undertaking, these materials are not as popular for high-rise constructions today. With this most recent pass, the exterior cladding was aluminum. Aluminum is one of the most aggressive, least fire-resistant materials. And so with this pass, with engineering evaluation, Johns Manville AP foil and CI Max has been approved for 7 additional claddings for wall assemblies. Combined with our recent approvals for UL 263, which is through wall flame propagation, and CI Max's NFPA 286, which is an interior wall flame propagation, Johns Manville polyiso continuous insulation has a robust fire propagation portfolio.